How to archive a message on Yahoo Mail app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to archive a message on Yahoo Mail app easily and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Yahoo Mail. As you can see, this is the home page. Now choose the message that you want to archive. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now click on it and keep clicking like this. Now as you can see, you will find this archive option down here. All what you have to do is click on it like this and the message is archived successfully. It's so easy and fast as I said. And let's type, for example, another message, this one, and click archive. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.